How to check your Facebook video views. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can check your views on Facebook videos that you have uploaded. Open the app, and here if you go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon and scroll down below and go to photos, you will be able to find videos option just beside this albums option. Now since I don't have any video right now, I'll just upload a quick video for you. Now you can see here that my video has been posted. Now once it's been uploaded, if you scroll down the video and enter it here below above the like section, you will be able to see the number of views you have got and the comments you have got. Now the other way you can watch this is if you go back and go to settings, and here is settings. If you scroll down and go to activity log, and if you go down and see here manage your post, you will be able to see this and click on view, and you'll be able to view this again. Hope you like the video, like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.